Hi guys, Kim here for Treasure Elite Kit Club. Welcome and or welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, Treasure Elite Kit Club is a monthly kit club. We have 3 kits, plus we do our own laser cut chipboard in-house. We have a scrapbook kit, a card, tags and more kit, and a mixed media kit. And today I am bringing you the reveal of our March kits. So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn your notification bell on to all so that you'll be notified every time we upload a video. We do private videos for our subscribers, and we do videos and tutorials for the public. So with that being said, also make sure you head over to our website at www.treasureelite.kits.com and check out our March kits plus whatever kits are available. So now with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into this kit reveal. We have our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52 and that does include your shipping. And like I said, you can find that on the website at www.treasureelite.kits.com. What we like to do in our kits is we give you everything that you need to create the layout, and we give you the inspiration. We don't give you step-by-step instructions for a project. We want you to take our kits and use your own creativity. So first up, we've got this beautiful pack of flowers, and you're going to get the full pack. These are by Little Birdie, and there are 13 pieces in here. There you go. And then you get another pack of flowers from Prima, and you got 6 flowers in here. And we try to coordinate everything perfectly to go with our kits. You're also going to get these fun little paper clips. They're for planners, but we think they go with the theme of our kit this month. You're also going to get 2 pieces of lace. You're going to get this beautiful sequin blue lace. And then you're also going to get this cream lace, and you're going to get our chipboard pieces. You're going to get 2 mini frames, mini film strip frames, and then you're also going to get some vintage book pages. And now let's get into the paper. This is by Stamperia. We try to bring you hard to get papers, but they're even getting a little hard for us to get right now too. So this is their new line, Secret Diary, and it's so pretty. And now you know why I included the planner clips. They kind of go along with the theme of Secret Diary. So you're going to get 10 double-sided sheets, plus you're going to get a bonus sheet from the front, and this comes in a pad, and I haven't pulled mine apart yet. So you're going to get that as your top sheet, and here's your next sheet. It's so pretty. There's the back. Make sure we got that. There's the back side, and these are a nice weight of paper. Here's your next sheet. And there's your back side to that. These are very vintagey, shabby chic, but it still goes, it's got that beautiful Secret Diary thing to it. I'm trying to figure out a good way to do this for you without my pad coming completely apart. There you go, the back sheet. You've got some pretty blues and some greens in here and some nice neutral colors. So I think they would go with anything. Here you go. I think this is just so pretty. This would make for lovely layouts. It would make for beautiful junk journals. Because now in the back, they give you this sheet where you can cut the words out, or you can just use the back side of it. And then you get some more ephemera here that you can cut out. And that's double-sided, so when you cut one image out, you'll have this image on one side, but then you'll have a plainer image on the back side, which I really think is nice. So you'll have a choice of using those. And then you're going to get like these postcard sheets, and again, they coordinate on the back where there's no image on the back, but there's a nice image on the front. And then here's that extra bonus sheet, which is your back sheet. But you've got some really nice ephemera on here too that you can use. So you've got some ephemera in here. You've got 10 sheets of paper. We've got some book pages, like I said, chipboard, ribbon, and lots of flowers. So this is our scrapbook kit, and again, it retails for $52, and it can be found on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. Next up is going to be our cards, tags, and more kit. So our cards, tags, and more kit, if you don't know about that, first of all, it is $42. And again, it's on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. And I meant to tell you, all of these are limited in stock. And so our cards, tags, and more kit, that's our smaller project kit. You can find something for cards. You can find something for tags. You may get a mini album, a junk journal. This is where we have a lot of fun, and we get to play around with this kit. So you can subscribe to one kit, all three kits, or any combination of kits that you like. So with that being said, let's go through some of the stuff here. First, again, we've got some more of our chipboard, and you're going to get these gears. You're going to get a full set of gears. And next, you're going to get a set of our smaller tags. And this is to make a little mini tag album with this kit. So you're going to have some of our chipboard tags, and our chipboard pieces that I'm showing here are also available on the website. You're going to get this pack of mechanical metal rusty labels. They have sayings on them. It says, "Dream without fear, perfection is overrated, take your time and look for the magic." Next up, you're going to get some of these junkyard finding, these metal corners. I love when I can find these in stock. These have been some of my favorites from when they came out a long time ago. If you've been crafting for a while, then you'll remember some of these pieces when they came out. Next up, we are going to have our paper, and this is a 6x6 collection pack from Visionaries. It's called Visionaries, and it's from Memory Place. And what we're going to have here are some fun steampunk pieces that are going to make that tag album really fun. First, you're going to have these little cutouts, and these papers are double-sided. You've got these little cutouts that'll go on the tags, and here's your back side. And here you've got some more cutouts, the plain back side. Got this sheet and a nice plain back. Got some more here that you can use as cutouts, or the back side. Got some numbers here. This is very Tim Holtz reminiscent to me. And here's your last sheet with the back out. These went so fast when I went to go order. I wanted the 8x8 sheets, and they were already sold out. I couldn't get them for you guys. I tried. And you're also going to have a couple of sheets of cardstock here too, to help back your tags or some of your papers. Even if you don't want to use your tags for a mini album, this would be wonderful for a junk journal. Especially if you got some of our past kits where we had junk journals. Or if you're looking for a junk journal, you can check our website at www.trejoliekits.com, because we are creating our own junk journals now, and we will be selling those. So hopefully those are up by the time this video comes out. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Now, our mixed media kit, it retails for $47. And again, it's on the website, www.trejoliekits.com. Here's another place where we have fun. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it's about trying new mediums and building your stash. But we also we give you a little project too to get started with this. So this really is a standalone kit. You can get this, open it up, and get started. And especially if you got some of our past mixed media kits, these mediums are all interchangeable, or you can use them together to complement each other. So let's go through the mediums first. First, we've got some acrylic paints, nothing new there. We've got burgundy and we've got black. We've also got some more paints here. For some reason, I wanted this green and could not find it in a small size. So we had to make do. We had a large size, and we gave you these fun little containers for acrylic paint. Now we've got some more paint, but this one is quite different, and this one did not come in a smaller size, so we had to buy the bigger size and give you the container full as well too. But this is a powder, but you add water to it and it becomes a paint. And you can make this as thin or as thick as you want as far as your opacity, depending on how much water you use with this. So like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we do a video showing you how to use this paint. But I thought this would be absolutely fun to try out. And also we've got some, they used to come in a set, and it's part of the set from the rust paints, but I preferred this color to go along with our color scheme. So you're going to get the yellow, and you'll find that it's a little gritty. It's not really a paint. It's more like a textured, well, it's a paint, but it's more like a textured paint. So you can use this through a stencil. You can use it to add texture to your pages. It's going to be a little gritty, but not really gritty. So you can have that. And then we've got some decoupage paper. We've got 2 different sheets. I thought this was so nice. Like the birds and the butterflies. They're a little springy, but they're a little vintagey as well too. And to go along with that, you're gonna have this 5x7 canvas palette. So you can use your decoupage paper on here along with some of your paints and your texture stuff. And like I said, if you got past kits, you've got stencils in those, or who doesn't have a stash of stencils? We can use those stencils on some of this and make a really fun project. So stay tuned, because you'll be seeing more of this in a project on our channel here. So this has been our March kit. And I don't know if I told you, our mixed media kit retails for $47. Again, everything's available on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. I would say get your kits quick, because you're seeing this at the beginning of the week. We are doing an expo in Rockford, Illinois at the end of the week. If you are subscribed to our newsletter, you'll already gotten the newsletter with a coupon in it. So we hope to see you there. If you make it out to Rockford, stop by and say hello. If you don't make it and we're just online friends, I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and we appreciate your support. We'll be talking to you later. Bye.